Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 1LE, a car that's got the automotive world buzzing with its bold new direction. This 7th generation Camaro isn't just another muscle car, it's a reimagined beast that blends classic American power with cutting-edge tech and a nod to the future. I'm beyond excited to take you through every inch of this car, from its aggressive exterior to its driver-focused cockpit, blistering performance, and of course how much it'll cost you to get behind the wheel. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the exterior, starting at the front. The 2026 Camaro SS 1LE is a visual knockout. Chevrolet has sharpened the design to give it a commanding presence that screams performance. The front. Fascia is low, wide, and mean, with sleek LED headlights that give it a predatory stare. The grille is massive yet refined, with functional air intakes that feed the engine and cool the brakes. The 1LE package adds a front splitter and dive planes, boosting aerodynamics and giving it that track-ready vibe. The hood is a standout, featuring functional vents and a satin black wrap that's both stylish and practical, channeling hot air away from the engine. Every line on this front end is sculpted to cut through the air while turning heads, walking around to the side. The Camaro SS 1LE continues to impress. The profile is sleek and muscular, with a wider stance than its predecessor, emphasizing its planted, aggressive look. The bodywork is taut, with sculpted curves that highlight the car's athletic build. You'll notice the 20-inch forged aluminum. Wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, designed to grip the road like glue. The 1LE package adds satin black accents and a subtle side skirt that enhances the aerodynamic flow. The side mirrors are sleek, and in the collector's edition, they're painted to match the panther black metallic tin coat body. The proportions are spot-on: short overhangs, a long hood, and a low roofline give it that classic Camaro silhouette, but with a modern twist that feels fresh for 22.6 at the back. The Camaro SS 1LE keeps the bold aesthetic going. The rear spoiler, part of the 1LE package, is functional, generating downforce to keep the car stable at high speeds. The taillights are sleek LED units, giving a nod to the Camaro's heritage while looking distinctly modern. A rear diffuser adds to the performance-driven design, optimizing airflow and cooling. The quad exhaust tips, tied to the dual-mode exhaust system, are a visual and auditory promise of the V8's thunderous soundtrack. The collector's edition throws in unique panther badging and painted brake calipers, adding a touch of exclusivity. Overall, the exterior is a perfect blend of retro-inspired muscle and futuristic flair, making it impossible to ignore on the road or the track. Now, let's step inside the cabin. The 2026 Camaro SS 1LE's interior is a massive leap forward, striking a balance between luxury and pure driver focus. As soon as you slide into the Recaro sport seats, you're hugged by their heavy bolstering, perfect for keeping you planted. During hard cornering, these seats, wrapped in a mix of Alcantara and leather, feel premium and track-ready. The flat-bottom steering wheel, also Alcantara-wrapped, fits perfectly in your hands, with paddle shifters for the automatic models. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch customizable digital gauge cluster that displays everything from speed to G-forces with crystal clarity. Paired with a massive 15-inch infotainment screen running Chevrolet's Infotainment 5 system, it's a tech lover's dream. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time performance metrics at your fingertips. The materials are a big step up. Soft touch surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and contrast stitching give the cabin a refined feel. But it's still a Camaro, so it's not without quirks. The low roofline and high beltline make the cabin feel snug, especially for taller drivers, and rear seat space is, well, let's call it symbolic. It's a 2+2 setup, so the back seats are best for kids or extra storage. The trunk offers about 258 liters of space, decent for a sports car, but don't expect to haul much. Visibility is another challenge, with narrow windows and thick pillars making it tricky to see out, though a head-up display and blind spot monitoring help. Overall, the interior is a driver's cockpit first, with just enough tech and comfort to make daily driving enjoyable, but it's clear this car is built for performance over practicality. Speaking of performance, let's get to the heart of the 2026 Camaro SS 1LE. Under the hood roars a 6.2-liter LT2 V-8, borrowed from the C8 Corvette, but tuned specifically for the Camaro. It pumps out 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, propelling this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an estimated 3.9 seconds. With a top speed north of 180 miles per hour, the 1LE package takes it to another level with track-focused upgrades. You've got magnetic ride control with adaptive damping, stiffer sway bars, and higher rate springs that make the car corner like it's on rails. The electronic limited slip differential and Brembo 6-piston brakes with 2-piece rotors ensure pinpoint control and fade-free stopping power, even during intense track sessions. The Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3 tires, wrapped around those 20-inch wheels, provide insane grip. Transmission options include a slick-shifting 6-speed manual for purists, complete with active rev matching for perfect downshifts, or a 10-speed automatic that's lightning fast and smooth. The dual-mode exhaust is a showstopper, delivering a deep growl at idle and a screaming roar at full throttle. For 2026, Chevrolet introduces a mild hybrid system, a first for the Camaro, which boosts efficiency without dulling the V8's character. Expect about 16 mpg city and 26 mpg highway. Not great, but who buys a Camaro for fuel economy? On the road, the steering is razor sharp and the chassis is communicative, making every drive feel alive. On the track, the 1LE setup shines, with a balance of agility and stability that rivals cars costing twice as much. This is a muscle car that's evolved into a legitimate sports car. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Camaro SS 1LE starts around $52,000 for the base SS Coupe with the 1LE package, though the collector's edition and options can push it closer to $60,000. For context, a fully loaded 2 SS 1LE Coupe, like the one still available from 2024, was priced around $59,205 with extras like magnetic ride control, a sunroof, and the dual-mode exhaust. Convertibles add about $6,000 to the price, compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang GT, which starts around $45,000, or the Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack, which is closer to $50,000. The Camaro SS 1LE offers incredible performance for the money. However, keep in mind that production is limited, especially for the collector's edition, so prices may climb on the used market as these cars become collector's items. So, who's this car for? If you're an enthusiast who craves raw V8 power, razor-sharp handling, and a car that feels special every time you turn the key, the 2026 Camaro SS 1LE is a no-brainer. It's perfect for weekend track days, canyon carving, or just cruising. With the windows down, letting that exhaust note echo. My suggestion? Go for the 6-speed manual for the full driver's experience, and splurge on the collector's edition if you want a piece of history. This might be the last V8 Camaro we ever see. If you need more practicality, look at the Mustang, which offers better visibility and a slightly roomier cabin. But for pure driving thrills, the Camaro SS 1LE is tough to beat. As we wrap up, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 1LE is a fitting tribute to nearly 6 decades of Camaro heritage. It's a car that honors its muscle car roots while embracing modern performance and technology. With the automotive world shifting toward electrification, this could be the final chapter for the gas-powered Camaro, and what a way to go out. It's fast, it's loud, it's precise, and it's unapologetically fun. Whether you're a longtime Camaro fan or just love driving, this car delivers an experience that's hard to match. Production may be limited, so if you want one, act fast. Thanks for watching, folks. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new Camaro SS 1LE, and if you'd pick the manual or automatic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews. Until next time, keep the revs up and drive safe.